I've come to St David's today to look at an exciting energy project located between St David's and Ramsey Island, which will use the tidal race between the island and mainland to capture electricity and bring it on shore, enough electricity to power a city, albeit a very small city such as St David's. I was particularly concerned to have a look at the project and have a look at the site to see how the environmental concerns were being addressed, how it would ensure that marine mammals were looked after, how the seabird and sea life would be looked after. I've been very impressed with the thought that's gone into the project, and equally impressed as well with the fact that this project has a lot of Welsh technology and indeed Welsh patents involved in it. I think it'll be an excellent project for Wales because it will put us at the forefront of marine renewables. I think it'll be an excellent project for Wales because it will enable St David's to continue with its tradition of peaceful pilgrimage for some and for tourism for others. It suits very well the kind of sustainable development that we want to see in Wales, and I really hope that this project proves its worth and enables us to make the best use of our marine and tidal resources.